Welcome to Yantrology. In this video, we are going to see standards and units in measurements and quality control. Content: what are units? History of standards, derived unit SI, and compound units from SI. Unit of measurement. Unit of measurement is a definite magnitude of quantity defined and adopted by convention or by law that is used as a standard for measurement of same kind of quantity. History of units. History of units takes us back to ancient time where the distance measurement was done using different body parts worldwide and weight measurement was done using beam scale. History of standards. After feeling the need of standardization, first system of units came into picture was CGS system where length was measured in centimeter, mass in grams and time in second. CGS system being on a smaller scale, need of MK system arose where meter was used for length, kilogram unit was used for mass and time was second. In 1960, in the era of globalization, SI was published covering the measurements in mechanics, electromagnetism, chemistry, radioactivity, medical sciences, illumination, and commerce, and numerous other fields. In SI system of units, there are 7 base units covering length in meter, mass in kilogram, time in second, electric current in ampere, temperature in Kelvin, amount of substance in mole, and luminous intensity in candela. Now we'll see different derived and compound units for measurements in SI. Frequency is measured in Hertz, angle is measured in radian, and solid angle is measured in steradian. Force is measured in Newton, pressure and stress are measured in Pascal, which is Newton per meter square. Energy, work and heat are measured in joule. Power and radiant flux are measured in watt. Electric charge or electric flux is measured in coulomb. Voltage, electric potential difference, electromotive force are measured in volt. Electric capacitance is measured in farad. Electric resistance, impedance, reactance are measured in ohm. Magnetic flux is measured in Weber. Magnetic flux strength, magnetic flux density measured in Tesla, and inductance is measured in Henry. Temperature is measured in degrees Celsius as well. Luminous flux is measured in lumen and illuminance is measured in lux. Length is measured in meter and hence area in square meter and volume in cubic meter. Speed and velocity are measured in meter per second and kilometer per hour as well. Acceleration is measured in meter per second squared. Jerk or jolt is measured in meter per second cubed. Snap is measured in meter per quartic second. Angular velocity is measured in radian per second. Momentum or impulse are measured in Newton second. Angular momentum is measured in Newton meter second. Torque or moment of force is measured in Newton meter. Density or mass density is measured in kilogram per cubic meter. Specific volume, being a reciprocal of density, is measured in cubic meter per kilogram. Surface tension is measured Newton per meter. Kinematic viscosity or diffusion coefficient measured in square meter per second. Dynamic viscosity is measured in Pascal second and volumetric flow is measured in cubic meter per second. Heat capacity or entropy are measured in joule per Kelvin. Specific heat capacity or specific entropy measured in joule per kilogram Kelvin. Heat flux density is measured in watt per square meter. Thermal conductivity is measured in watt per meter Kelvin. Thank you for watching video.